Hello YouTube, this Mark was with another video. Just wanted you guys to check out, 22 hertz to 33 hertz. This song by Lil Baby. It's slowed down though, so it already has been causing damage in the car. So I said, man, I guess I had to share that with you guys. So let's go ahead and check her out.
I ain't tryna have beef right now, so we fuck with a rubber, but I got a raw bitch. No, money bring me, you probably won't beat me, but bro, we can't be by no shit. Overseas got it, my shit. Can't believe it, I'm still in apartments. Businessman when it got me in the office. Me and the niggas, I get them often. Me and the serving my Boston. I'm legit, I'm staying with the Charleston. I thought that shit made me a monster. Bitch, you know this my sister, my mama's. Now they houses as big as they want. How they round them motherfucking commas. Look at the numbers. Feeling like we in a race. I might come in first or second, but I won't ever be last. Lately I been in my bag, but told me don't take my foot off the gas. You ain't gonna take you a mile. I'ma shoot by myself like a 10. City to city, got girls going poppin'. I reach my chain when I jump in the crowd. Now I'm solo squad. We finally made it. Let's pop on some bottles. To the lead and let everyone follow. You know I'm running it right to the bank. They want me to ease up, I didn't need with me, need bleeding. I'm sorry, I told them I can't. Heard you a rich, so you know what's gonna happen whenever we catch you. I don't know who to shake. I've been making my time, I get 40 right now. Going in the race. Watch how I move with this paper. I know if I keep on my time, they gon' try to rotate. On TV, unless it's the news, I got something to prove. Yeah, I'm young, I got something to lose. No extortion, ain't talking about it. I be walking on. They can't get rid of my TV. See us on TV, unless it's the news. Yeah, I'm young, I be walking on people. I just feel my carrier picking me. They can't even wake up every day, somebody harassing me. I got rich, they need money, they asking me. I was sitting in jail, they look out for me. Ones who need me, no say what to tell me. I've been handling my own, they can vouch for me. They'll wait down on me, know that she proud of me. Turn the heat up, ain't nobody out of me. Everyone dollars me, that's how it gotta be. I done gave her the one, now she not leaving. Say she love me, the just told her stop leaving. I do what I do, but we not even. I want all of the beef, I can not vegan. What you said it was wrong, niggas stop speaking. Vince, don't try to top, I can't stop speeding. Tryna see if this bitch is the top speed. Hit it bitch from the back, I would not hold me, baby home. I control the rock, if the rap slow, I control the rock. Yeah, I'm really it, and you niggas not. Got a couple coups, I can draw the top. I done made it, nigga, all these digits coming in. I'm saving for the bigger picture. No one day I need them, might as well get used to me. My biggest fear is ending up where you should be. Yeah, my dollars be TVs. They don't want to see us on TV unless it's the news. I got something to prove. Yeah, I'm young, I got something to lose. In the street, I done paid all my dues. No extortion, ain't talking about lyrically. I be walking on pieces, you hear me. I just feel that my kids real big of me. They can't get rid of me. My dollars be TVs. They don't want to see us on TV unless it's the news. I got something to prove. Yeah, I'm young, I got something to lose. In the street, I done paid all my dues. No extortion, ain't talking about lyrically. I be walking on pieces, you hear me. I just feel that my kids real big of me. They can't get rid of me.
I mean, I know, man, that sounded good, y'all. That sounded real good. You know, just to let you guys know, I don't have no battery right now, so yes, we're going crazy without no battery, but it's not gonna stay like that. 14.3 on the amp because the power is coming straight from the front, so the amp is not getting, you know what I'm saying, it's still getting its power though. I mean, it still dropped wattage. I mean, it dropped voltage. It dropped down to like maybe 13 to 12. But other than that though, man, it still sounds super good. You know, I wanted to tell you guys, I do got a couple of big projects coming up. You know what I'm saying? First of all, I'm gonna be installing a third battery. So now we're gonna have, you know, 2 batteries in the back. You know what I'm saying? And also I will be getting my alternator. You know what I'm saying? Thanks to my friend, he already know who he is. You know, he gave me a good alternator place, and they came up with it. So a 320 volt alternator will be coming in the front hood also. So guys, we do got some big things. I think Monday or Tuesday I will have an unboxing. You know, a big unboxing. It's gonna be a lot of stuff getting unboxed. So man, I'd like to thank you guys, you know what I'm saying, for supporting me. And also, you know, checking out the video. It's been a long ride, guys, you know, and I want to keep this ride going as long as possible. You know what I'm saying? I like the fact that we do have a DIY gang. We keep it going, we keep it going. Now, just to let you guys know, I do not know everything about sound systems yet. You know, I got a lot to learn, you know, but I do share what I have learned with you guys, which I have learned a lot within this past year, you know, but I never be the guy that comes off like, oh, I know it all, I know it all, I know it all. And guys, at the end of the day, this is nothing but material things. You know what I'm saying? It can go just like that, like in a snap of a finger. Somebody can just come to my car and take everything away, and I have to start all back over, you know. I mean, I do not try to put this stuff above everything. As far as my sound system, guys, it's an expensive sound system, but you guys seen me go from point A to like point D. You know, I've been doing this slowly. You know, I've been like actually buying stuff slowly. So, you know, that's just a lot. I know I'm blabbering, guys. I'm sorry about that, you know, but still a lot of stuff to talk about, you know. So I hope you guys like the video. If you do, smash that like button. You know, if you're new, you should consider subscribing. There's a lot of good content on this channel, I feel. You know, I do my best to give content. I do my best to respond back on all comments. So, guys, y'all have a nice day. This is Mark Woods. I'm out.